Alright, so here's the Fanimation PCDC.
Yeah, you were showing her piece. Ooh,
How many speeds does this one have?
that's this
It
one.
is AC, so it has 3.
I thought this was like the PCDC.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is? Huh. There we go.
Yeah, with the pull chain, yeah, you got it. It just takes a few different pulls. To
Yeah,
get
yeah.
Gotta go.
Yeah, I'm a fan collector, so.
Nice.
It gets right going on low speed.
So, do you not like, how many hours do you do that? Really? Oh. That's crazy. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Trucky. So you just drive it there. You don't do anything.
It's kind of finicky.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, I see. There we go.
Yeah, you want some movement? Different. It's the button keyboard. They're buttons. They're buttons. Bread. It's supposed to be bread. I did. Are you good?
Thank you.
Busy.
Second child, about 3 years. 13.
Is it already?